Good morning, grade 1. How are you all today? I hope you're all doing fine. So, I'm sorry the previous activity had some issues, so I have changed it. So, what you have to be doing is you're going to be going to our class website, which is supercoders.wordpress.com. You just have to click on the link below and then you will reach this page. Here, I want you to go to grade 1, click on it. Wait, has it turned red yet? Yes. Now I want you to go down, and when you go down, you can choose to either click here or you can click on the picture. So let's say I'm going to click on the picture. When I click on the picture, it takes me to the activity page. Here, I know you're learning clocks in math. So I thought it'll be a good practice if you can do a bit of math in IT. So you can choose whether you want hours or you want quarters or you want half past. Let's start with hours, okay? Click on hour and then choose easy. Make sure you choose easy because when you choose normal, you won't be able to see the numbers on your clock. So make sure you're choosing only easy and then press on OK. Now, read the instructions. What does this say? Put the clock at 6 o'clock. So you're going to hold your mouse, click and drag, which is the hour hand. The red one is the hour hand. So go drag it all the way till you reach 6. Am I reaching 6? Yes. Stop and well done. Every time you put the right time, you will see one part of your puzzle coming up for you. Okay, what's the next one? Put the clock at 3 o'clock. So spot 3. Now I'm going to click and drag and spot 3. Where am I going? Is that 3? Yes. Stop. And every time you do correct thing, the next picture comes up. Okay, so you keep going this way and you will see the whole puzzle and it'll be a surprise. Okay, I can't wait for you to do this. See you next time.